Okay, you guys, we are doing creamy Tuscan chicken. I already got my tomatoes, onions cut up. We got spinach over here. We got some seasoning. This is their new seasoning. Mia's Oh So Good seasonings. Cost everything. Supposed to be able to use it on everything. So I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna just still use a little bit of my seasoning salt. I feel like this always enhances any seasoning I use. Some little black pepper. Don't mind Sprite. And we got some grated Parmesan cheese back there. So now I'm just about to season this chicken. We're gonna get going. this.
It's good.
Let me find out. Let me find out. I put a little arm in it. I cannot pick this up. Okay. Well, that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. This was definitely a great meal. 4.8 out of 5. Definitely making it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or if you don't like it, dislike it and send it to anyone you think will like it. All right, thank you.